this time at JKGarage, we're installing this thing.
But check it out. But wait, there's more. Wow. First things first, remove the ebrake shroud. And to do that, open up your center console. There should be 2 beauty covers here. Mine does not have them. It's just 2 Phillips head screws. And you should just be able to pull up. Might have to pull the e-brake a little bit. And if you have it, disconnect the heated seats and any other wiring that you have. Once you have it removed and totally destroyed your light bar switch, you can go ahead and file down wherever you're going to put it. And all you have to do is pop out these back, I guess they're like placeholders. It's just 2 tabs, you pinch them together, and they should pop right out. And you can see the difference between the 2 holes. They were identical before I installed the light bar switch. And all you have to do is just file down these notches. With the hole all shaved down, you can just push in the new rocker switch, I guess. And you can see just 2 clips. Push it down in there, and now it's just time for the wiring. Now remove the shifter shroud and the radio bezel. Do that, put the car noodle, and pop up on it. Put that somewhere safe. And then remove your ashtray and just give it a good tug. And we're actually took all that apart so we can get to the wires here. This is what we're going to be tapping off of for the voltmeter. Now you're going to strip back the hot wire to your cigarette lighter. Just enough that you could wrap the wire around it. Oh yeah, look at those hands. And you could just wrap it around like that, or you could add a bead of solder. Make sure you lay down your oily flame retardant rag. Don't want any hot solder getting anywhere it shouldn't be. And you got to get one of those cool little fancy cold solders so everyone on the internet complains about it. Okay. And then you find the electrical tape. Yeah. All right. Good start. All right. And then you just tape that. And for the negative terminal, we're just going to ground it out on that bolt there. It's 12 millimeter, and you may need an extension to get at it. All right. And you can either use one of those little loop things, or you can just kind of put the wire under the head of the bolt and send it. That's what we're gonna do here. Look, make a fancy J, put it down there and crank that thing down. Yep. Why is this so hard? There it is. Get your third hand out to hold it. There we go. Nice and pretty.
It's not tight.
Shut up. They don't know that.
Never mind.
Hey guys, when your cold solder doesn't work, you actually have to re-solder it better.
Shut up.
Because it turns off if you bump the wire.
But check this out. It's so cool. It's so cool. Oh, wait. There it is. Yeah. See, I fixed it. As you can see here, each terminal is labeled. So we're going to hook up the hot wire to the plus side and the ground to the minus side. Real complex wiring here, folks. And you just kind of put everything back together. Make sure you push your handy dandy bypass so you can just shift without having the car started. Hook this back up. take down your sign. All right. Sick wire management. I lost
go
it.
faster. I think the camera's gonna die.
Oh. What's this wire? Oh no. All the pressure. Okay. Get down in. Oh. Oh, it's my bypass. Oh, I broke my bypass. Rip.
Wood.
Yeah, it's a 1/4-inch dowel rod. And then that just clips down in place. And then open this up and throw the tape back. And put your 2 screws back in. We're gonna put them in finger tight because I lost the screwdriver. Yeah. And then you find your keys. Wow. Oh, and here's the best part. Okay. Oh, there it is. I suck. Okay. There it is. Subscribe. Done.
That's it for this time on JK Garage. Like, comment,
And subscribe for some more sick installs.